I saw Burna Boy and Steel Power them have some alco, 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 altercation from the other day. Where pretty much anybody see it? Where Steel Power say see it where Burna Boy apparently disrespect Steel Power them, the band. Anybody see that? Am I correctly? Cause anybody see that? Where Burna Boy disrespect Steel Power them? Nobody see the news and see what's going on? Tag with Burna Boy and I mean alone see it? How you doing? I call it me alone see. But anyway, so apparently Burna Boy they disrespect Steel Power them, right? In a backstage and sitting room and all of that. And I saw it and I started to laugh when I saw that whole thing. The reason why I laugh about it is because Burna Boy, I like a lot of Burna Boy song, but Burna Boy team and Burna Boy, they are very disrespectful towards people. They're very, very, very disrespectful towards people. Both Burna Boy and him team, they are very disrespectful towards people. And there's no doubt about it, our story about it as far as the situation that happened. Because even when we was in Guyana this year, my artist was scheduled to perform on Business Thing and Tanner Stevenson and others on the same stage as Burna Boy this year, right? And let me tell you what let me tell you what them do, right? What they do, because people hear things and don't know how things go. When we was in Guyana and we supposed to go to the when we supposed to go to the venue to go do um sound check, it's like they told us that we have to do sound check at like say maybe say 10 o'clock or something like that, right? 1 o'clock, whatever it is. When them tell us to do sound check, the sound check was not ready at the time. So we say, all right, we're gonna do some other stuff, and then later on the sound check ready, right? Shan, you know. So when we reach at the venue, if we're gonna do the sound check, you know, Burna Boy team them still up there same way. I do sound check and all of that. And if we went to the venue, let's just say we went to the venue 12 o'clock, right? And they told us that we are going to do the sound check. Burna Boy, them team was literally on the stage from before we get there till 2, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Burna Boy, them still up on the stage, see we are do sound check. So I go up to one of them and I say to the stage man, I say, hey, what's going on? We're supposed to do sound check. We're not finished yet. We're soon finished. So I say, when? I don't know right now. I don't know right now because this and this I get problem. They want to make sure that their stuff is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. And they don't care who else did ever do sound check. So I say, well, I don't care who it is because we need to do sound check. And Una alone, this is not about Una alone. We need to do sound check physically. Right? Them say, all right, them did it. I went to the other person in charge of the event and said, yo, what's going on with this? Right? Instead of my try, but them not finishing all that. So we end up leaving the venue and did not do sound check because Burna Boy team them take up the whole of the stage and decide say them are going to do sound check and them not leaving until when for them sound check comes. So you know they don't care who else is performing on the show. They're telling you that they're not leaving until their sound check is done. And then I'm gonna tell you what them do, or how disgusting them is. After them do that, do the sound check and whatever it happen, them now get them thing right. Right? Me frightened to say one over people show up now. Them backup singer and them dancer show up. And the dancer then come and then dip on stage and them still did their try to do sound checks here. Then a little bit before that, let's fast forward. What they did, while we did that, we for sound check, you know, them go order KFC, you know, and sit down and take them little time and eat them KFC and then go back again to go do sound check and all of that. And we actually leave the venue and say, yo, we ain't got time for this. It'll be what it is. We leave the venue because every time I go to an event, I buy my artist have his own microphone. I bring his own microphone, right? I try not to let them use microphone if he don't have to. And there was a problem. We could even hook up the microphone, so we end up having to use the house microphone. All right. Back at the show now. Later on, the stadium full. Right? Remember, you know, the people don't come visit Nigy boy and Burna boy. Right? I'm busy the palette to Antenna Stevenson. Right? You know, it's like when it come to Guyana and Nigy place. Literally theme place that Guyana theme place. It's like you one Guyana. Because I told I would go to Guyana 1 year. Anyway, boom. Nigy go on and perform, doing things, mash up the place. People love the performance, man, and all of that. The sound system was a little bit off, but eventually, everybody just work with it. All right, boom. Burna boy stage the back, tent the backstage. What them first thing then do, them block off anywhere Burna boy stay, so nobody can go there. And them have security there. All right. When Nigy done perform and shell the place and everybody go, the whole Guyana go, the president of Guyana, everybody enjoy the shows and show to remember. All right, we done with the backstage, you know. Remember, you know, the whole of we are artists, you know, right? With the backstage, this is King then come, we say Josh them, Chronicle, everybody come on the backstage and we did it, right? Everybody have their own era, we have a one tent, right? When time come now, when Burna boy for perform, with the backstage, I want our vibes in a for one corner and I want a lane. Burna boy security come backstage, the big neck and white youth come backstage. I gotta tell, we don't know say. Nobody can the backstage because Burna boy come. Me look at them and say, what you say, what I go? Me say, so, none of we can the backstage because Burna boy come. So, as a matter of fact, lie, I was around him, I did the on the other side. I'm gonna go back around to the team and tell me, say, Burna boy team, security team said, nobody can the backstage. Me say, really? So, me tell up run and come on to say, oh, I go put we out of the venue and tell we say we can the backstage. Well, no, my thing set already at home is there. So I did it, and I say, what's the problem? Burna boy's sister and mother and security come. And did I say, nobody tell at the backstage because I said, let me tell you something. We not moving from around here, so we not left. So I tell the team and everybody else, if it's getting them the run, them and say, yo, we not leaving. With the writers and we are artists, we not left from backstage. Me not care who Burna boy is. Me not respond to Burna boy no more than my artist, no more than we not left. Period. And the time and then did a look and all of that and did a look around and I say, yo, these people really not leave. I said, no, we not left. If I come perform, we over here, so we take our own liquor and with the over one another side. We are far away from the stairs, right? And everybody sit down and people and say, yo, like some Chronicle and Skin there running like them I said, John, like they want to leave. And I said, nobody not left. Nobody not leave from around here, so. Nobody at all. We are still right around here, so, and we're not leaving from around here, so. Tell them to come put you out here, so. Because then it's going to be a problem backstage. It's going to be a war backstage. We're not left from here, so. And everybody say, all right. And then did it, and we turn up there, and Burna boy come in, the security turn up, and block off the stairs, we spot. Him come up or whatever it is. The sister come back, and sister I'm at the backstage because I know so I didn't manage him. And then come in, nobody don't care. It is so embarrassing that a big artist like that come to Guyana and nobody don't care about him like that because of the arrogantness towards people and the disrespect towards people. And boom, go up on stage, right? The amount of something they want on stage with them and oh it is and all of that. They want things to be a certain see them way. And then go up and go doing performance. And I'm telling the truth. That it is nothing to really go war about and remember about. Absolutely nothing. You can't see the Guyanese people them like they're not really into it because as I said, the brother is very arrogant and the whole team is arrogant. And go up on stage perform one of the backstage, they realize that we're not left going away. You understand? Because they don't want to get themselves in a problem around there. Because then can't hold nobody and put out. The security can't hold nobody and put out and whatever it is. And she have anything gun for the waist and thing and people afraid. We said nobody now left. So we the backstage and did and him doing prof and in doing prof. We did it for a while. Busy come up a little bit before him and perform and Busy done come out and left and all of that. And we are go backstage you know between our tent and the backstage. So it's pretty much what they are saying is that we can't go in a full one tent. We cannot go back and forth because Burna. Me say me not give a right ass elbow Burna to the boy who him is. We go anywhere we want to go do what we want to do. That's all it is. And no more than we period and me done talk. And at that point I realize and them avoid. Them avoid the whole altercation backstage and them no. They no bother us and not like that. We did and in perform and come off. We leave. When Burna Boy left on stage, people in the stadium was leaving before Burna Boy come off a stage. Leaving. And I'm being very honest with you. Anybody can remember I show a Guyana. I love Guyana, I'm a place Guyana people and treat it good. Big up to Grumble and the world crew. Then treat us so good down there. Right? And then people leave the stadium while Burna Boy left on stage to perform. And when I hear the feedback of the people in my Guyana, people will say, yo, they not care about Burna Boy is like, it was nothing about a Nigy boy them I talk about. Right? And we did that till we actually leave. We did that till we get tired and we get tired because we have things to do the other day. I think we have video to do or whatever, I remember. But we end up leave or whatever it is. So what I'm saying to you, when we see this something with steel power and all of that, they are very disrespectful. Very, 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 very disrespectful on every level. And them feel like say they're more than people. And then feel like say, boy, nobody is not up on the stage but then nobody now perform but them. And whatever them say goes. You understand what I'm saying? That is all his team is. The whole team, none of them in it not nice. They are very arrogant. Very, 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 very arrogant, right? Like a lot of these Africans, that's how they are. Some of them they're very arrogant to us people. That they think them better than people, they think them more than people and all that. And that is all Burna Boy team is. So I endorse what still them is saying and all of that and the disrespect of what take place between them backstage and whatever it is. I saw them stay. I tell them because we come across them and we run into the same situation where they want dressing room for themselves, they want the whole year for themselves, they want all of this liquor for themselves, everything they want for themselves, and you must not be in the venue and all of that. And then take them one little time and do what they want to do. You understand? And one thing with me, as a manager, no artist out there, never going to be more than my artist. It will never, and none of my team, right? Nobody I go push my team out or anybody out or whatever it is. The rules is the rules, right? And everybody should get along as one. Everybody should unite. Everybody